Searching for a versatile, yet affordable studio for video and photo shoots? Look no further than the Angela Wolf Video Studio in South Philly. Our front reception room is a perfect space to greet clients. The studio room has soundproof insulation, double drywall, and sound dampening throughout. The brick backdrop wraps around, making it perfect for a two-person interview or podcast setup. It also has a mounted seamless paper roll holder for photo shoots. The other wall is a painted green screen with blackout curtains. The bathroom is set up with a makeup mirror and folding vanity, making it the perfect spot for talent to get ready. My favorite part is our video village. This separate room has a broadcast monitor, 2 counters, and plenty of outlets. There are 2 HDMI ports that feed in from the studio, along with an Ethernet port. This is the perfect setup for live streaming or client viewing. This space comes with the essentials, of course, but we also offer rental packages, including lighting, set furniture, and podcasting gear. The studio is available by the hour, or get a discount when booking the full day. We even offer monthly memberships. Find out more about our studio rentals at angelawolfvideo.com.